everybody, welcome to our final Maths Home Learning video for this week and for Year 4. So this is lesson 3. So we're going to carry on with the escaping the beach hut. So you should have your 5 numbers from the last video already, and we're going to get the last 5 digits to finish off and try and escape the beach hut. So if you haven't got your pencil and your paper and your 5 digits from the last video, make sure you go and get those now, and then you can press play when you're ready to carry on. Okay, so let's get started with digit 6. Find 2/5 of the number of ice creams. Okay, so it's a little while since we've done fractions. Step 1, you need to count how many ice creams there are in total. Then see if you can find 2/5 of them. So split them into 5 equal pieces, and then you want 2 out of those 5 equal pieces. So pause the video while you try and work out 2/5 of the number of ice creams. Okay, let's reveal the answer. There were 15 ice creams. 2/5 of 15 is 6. So digit 6 was 6. Okay, let's have a look at digit 7. One sunny day, a cafe sells between 150 to 180 ice creams. Counted in 4s, there are 2 left over. Counted in 7s, there are 4 left over. How many ice creams did the cafe sell? So your number's got to be between 150 and 180. If you group them into 4s, there'll be 2 left out. If you choose a number and you group it in 7s, there'll be 4 left over. Quite a tricky challenge, this one, so you'll definitely need your paper and your pencil to work it out. How many ice creams did the cafe sell? Now, when you've got your number of ice creams, the tens digit of this answer is the 7th digit of the number you'll need to escape the hut. Okay, so let's see. Numbers between 150 to 180 counted in 4s with 2 left over are these. Numbers between 150 and 180 counted in 7s when there's 4 left over are these. And the only one that was the same is 158. So you wanted the tens digit. The tens digit is 5. Really tricky, that one. Well done if you managed to work it out, though. Let's look at digit 8. Ooh, so we've got to solve the number riddle using inverse operations. So you've got to start at the end and work back using your inverses. I multiply the number of shells I have by 5. I then subtract 50 and divide by 2. I end with the number 70. How many shells did I collect? Ooh, tricky. So working backwards using our inverse. So she ended with 70, so we've got to do the opposite, the inverse. So instead of dividing by 2, we multiply 140, then subtract 50, but we're doing the inverse, so we add 50, 190, and then multiply the number by 5, but we do the inverse, so we divide by 5 is 38. So she collected 38 shells. Add the digits of this answer together until you are left with one number. This will be digit 8. So we've got 38. 3 and an 8 to add together. 3 and 8 is 11. But that's not a 1-digit number. 1 and 1 is 2. So that missing digit was 2. Clue 9. Now, we haven't had a look at coordinates in year 4, but you might have seen them before. They're a little bit like what you might use on a treasure map. The important thing to remember is that we read this number first and then we go up. So we're looking for the shell. So the shell is here. So we go along, see how far along the shell is. It's 7. And then we go up and we see how far up it is. It's 2. So its coordinate will be 7, 2. So can you do the barbecue? Okay, let's reveal. So we knew the shell was 7, 2. The barbecue is a long 1, up 7. Add together the first number in each coordinate. So the 7 and the 1. This is the 9th digit you need. Nice and easy. 8. Clue 9, 8. Last digit, a bar chart. So you've got to look at the bar chart. Green is the boys, yellow is the girls, and it's a bar chart to show favourite flavours of ice cream. So you've got 2 questions to work out the answers to here. How many boys voted chocolate or mint as their favourite flavour? Well done, there were 22 for both of those. How many girls voted for vanilla or caramel as their favourite flavour? So vanilla and caramel, girls. Well done, that was 13. Okay, our next step, add together the answers to each question. So just pause while you work that out if you've not quite worked it out yet. 22 and 13 is 35. Find the digit sum of this total, a 3 and a 5. That gives us the 10th digit, which is 8. Well done. So you should have all 10 digits now. Let's see if you were correct. You can escape the beach huts. Well done. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that puzzle and you've managed to get all 10 digits to escape. Fantastic work for our last maths home learning in year 4, and I'm sure you'll get on brilliantly with the new work in year 5. Bye for now.